Hello, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Rahim. I'm here to show you the new Scout 235 XSF. This boat was ordered shark gray, hull color, with the Mercury 300 horsepower Verado. Black motor with the gray gives it a nice, mean look. Let's climb on board. Well, if you notice, the nice design on this 235 XSF is this full walk-through platform. Your newer, better boats have this design where it's suitable for water sports, for diving, for fishing, for everything. It takes advantage of all the space. Come on board, let me show you. Here we're equipped with a nice transom seat, which is nice and flush when closed. Nice live well here. Extra rod holders with cup holders. Nice leaning post with extra rocket launchers, cup holders, igloo cooler. Let's look at the dash. It comes equipped with a Garmin 10-inch screen, nice all flush. Our glove box here, we can charge our phones from here. All designed here with USB to charge your phones, your extra phones. You notice we have a JL audio, a standard from factory. This particular boat came with the upgraded sound system with an extra sub, an amplifier for that extra crank for the sound system. Came equipped with a hardtop, glass tempered top here. Let's come right around here and I'll show you. This is what makes this boat unique. Great lounge area, nice and wide. Extra storage in here. You can use them as coolers or storage. Here's our fish box or storage. As you see, we got fenders and lines. Great location. You will be using this a lot. Here, so you can take a peek of the cabin in here, or let's call it the head. Great size head. Our battery switching is right here out of the elements with all our fuses. Just great location, again, out of the elements. That's how every boat should be. Well, thank you for joining us in this quick tour on the 235 XSF. Please come visit us at MarineMax Miami. We will gladly show you all our Scout boat lineup and give you a personal tour. Thank you.